welcome back to my channel. This is Eman. Kasama ko ngayon, Sir Melgar, and we are going to Bacolod. Eman Stories. Ngayon nandito kami sa Bicol Central Station at hinihintay namin yung kasama namin na si Dean. So yung sasakyan namin na bus, dito na. Actually yan. Kaya lang, nasakay din ang ticket, kaya hindi pa kami pwede sumakay. Tapos ang trip namin is 8:30 at malapit na po mag 8:30, parang 2 minutes na lang. Sana umabot pa kami. So mamaya update na lang kami. So ito ang sasakyan namin. This is a Peña Francia bus. This is trip code R. So this is a Volvo bus, bus 71. The seating configuration itong bus is 2x1. So dito ako nakaupo sa may solo seat and medyo maluwag din naman yung legroom. So meron din siyang footrest. So wag isa lang ako dito. Yung dalawang kasama ko nakaupo sa harap. Emote-emote muna tayo dito sa biyahe. Dito palang bus namin ay merong sariling CR. Andito siya sa gitna ng bus. Yan, so andito na po kami sa airport. Ayan, kasama na po namin si Dean. At saka Sir Melgar. Yan, first time ko sasakay ulit aeroplano for how many years na. So excited. Dito na po kami sa may Cebu Pacific. International pero local lang kami ha. Magano lang kami, check-in baggage. So yung baggage ko, itong pula na bili ko sa SM, magano lang naman, kay Dean yung medyo mabigat. So correction, hindi namin siya chinekin kasi magala naman mga luggage namin. So dako namin ticket namin. So punta na kami doon kasi may meeting pa si Dean. So boarding na kami but still waiting pa daw, sabi ng announcement. So we're still waiting for Dean kasi may meeting siya. Oh. They remain seated. Boarding time. Haba ng pila. Yan, so boarding na kami, tapos group 5 pa kami, group 2 pa lang ang magpe-perform, magpapasok. So wait muna kami dito. Ngayon naman group 3 pinapasok na, so 2 groups pa bago kami. So tinawag na yung group 5, papasok na kami. Nasa kay Sir Melgar pala yung boarding pass namin. Yes. Grabe ang pila para enrollment. So baka yun ang plane namin. I don't know. Saan pa kayo? Nagpe-present sa airport. Iba talaga ang din namin. So we're waiting na to board. Medyo traffic. Malapit na kami magpasok. Konti na lang. Yan, palapit na po kami. May mapati pa ako. 9 kami. 5 pa lang. Yan, so dito kami sa plane. Ang si Dean. Haggard. Nakapagod. Yan, medyo musok-musok pa. Ito paano naman, nagkasya naman yung tuhod ko, may konting space pa. Tapos may charging port. Yan, so waiting pa nag-board pa yung ibang pasahero.
Who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Pin paper around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air, and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you immediately.
Yan po, makausap ko na. Yan, malapit na kami maging tinapa.
Wherein we will be asking questions
Do the hand
about the
washing,
Philippines.
verify the patient.
The first guest to give us the correct answer will win a prize from Cebu Pacific. Magkakaroon po tayo ng palaro kung saan kailangan nyo lamang sagutin ng tama ang aming katanungan para makapag-uwi kayo ng papremyo mula sa Cebu Pacific. The Philippines Independence Day. We have a quick winner here by the middle seat. Congratulations, the correct answer is June 12. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. This national hero was known for his painting, Spolarium. We have 55J480 for opening your hearts to help the most vulnerable children and families. Supporting UNICEF, Change for Good, and Cebu Pacific.
My heart. Ay, okay pa naman kami. Nakakagulat lang. So, dito naman sa Bacolod. So, lakad na papasok ng airport. So, yun yung plane na sinakyan namin. Yung dalawa na bilis. Yan, so nasa labas na kami ng airport. Grabe ang init. Pero ang ganda. Hanap kami makakainan. So dito may duty free Philippines. Yan, hanap kami ng makakainan. Meron daw dito. Kailan para mainit. So ito yung tsura ng parang food court dito sa Bacolod Airport. So dito lang kami kakain. May nakuha kami table. Ito. So, chicken inasal Bacolod. So ito yung mga chicken nila. Ito naman yung price. So 170. So these are lunch. Chicken Bacolod na. Bacolod.
Sisiw pa.
So tapos na kami mag-lunch at ayun na, tapos na. So mamaya continue na lang dun pag nasa hotel na kami. So I'll see you again in my next video. Bye-bye. Eman Stories!